Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Car Safety System using Arduino with sensors. And we are using four sensors. Those are speed sensor, vehicle speed, and distance measurement, vehicle ultrasonic distance measurement module, eye blink sensor, drowsiness detection, ADXL 335 MEMS accelerometer to detect the accidents, SMS alert with Google Map location, and voice alert to the driver. So here we are using an power supply, a 9 volts adapter power supply we are using, Arduino Uno R3, GSM SIM 800L we are using to get the SMS alert, RX, TX, those are connected with 0 and 1, GPS module, it is connected to the third pin, digital input pin, and engine, it is connected to the 7th pin, and a 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected with RS, enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pins, and APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, and one speaker, and those are connected with 4th pin, 2nd pin, 6th pin, and speed sensor, it is connected to the A0, distance measurement sensor, it is connected to the A3, oblique sensor, it is connected to the 5th pin, ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor, it is connected with the A1 and A2. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 9 volts input, 9 volts input, DC input. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED. So here we are using GSM SIM 800L we are using. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use. So here I am using Airtel SIM card. Okay. And here GPS module, it is connected, and speed sensor, if it is increase 300 above, and if it is decrease. So voice module, APR 33A3 voice recorded playback IC, and speaker, ADXL 335 accelerometer to detect the accident, right accident, left accident. So front, back. So ultrasonic distance measurement to measure the distance. So if it is 50 centimeter above, no problem, and then it comes to 10 centimeter, it will tell to the voice output near to vehicle, near to vehicle. If speed goes to high, speed, over speed. So here we are using eye blink sensor to detect the eye. If it is closed, drowsiness detected voice output. So engine is connected to the 7th pin. So Arduino Uno R3 board, and A0, A1, A2, A3, those are connected to the pin numbers, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 LCD pins, RX, TX, GSM pin. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED display. So eye blink sensor. Okay. GPS signal came. Okay. So x coordinate, y coordinate, no problem. Okay. Now if speed goes to overspeed, 300 and above, overspeed detection. Yeah, 235, I okay. Yeah, 400 overspeed detected. So 4 SMS, 4 mobile alerts are there. Okay. So like overspeed, some value should become latitude value, longitude value. If you press open, then it will open the Google Map location. Okay. Yeah, SMS came. Okay. SMS came. Now, okay, if it is reaches to the near to vehicle, okay, all three LED should be on. Near to vehicle. Yeah, near to vehicle. Voice output. Engine is off and voice should be output. It will tell the SMS alert. One is speed, one is ultrasonic. Yeah, near to vehicle, SMS came. Okay, open. Okay, now I'm going for the drowsiness. So I need to wear that LED should be closed. LED is closed. Okay, you need to wear this and it will tell you. Okay, yeah, drowsiness detected. Okay, now it will send the SMS. Once the LED should be closed, it will tell you the drowsiness detected. Then it will send the SMS alert to the predefined mobile number. Speed sensor, near to vehicle, then drowsiness, then vehicle accident detection. Okay, yeah, drowsiness detected, driver is sleeping, vehicle alert. Now we will go for the left accident. Yeah, left accident, sending the SMS alert. Message sent. Yeah, left accident, message sent. Okay, I will go for right accident. Yeah, so front it came. Okay, so like that, left right front back. So GPS module, GSM modem, EPR 3383 voice module, speaker, accelerometer sensor, distance measurement module, and idling sensor and engine. Okay, yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.